It is time to go to the market. It is time to go to the market.
The market opens at 9. The market opens at 9.
I need to make a shopping list. I need to make a shopping list. Do not forget your wallet. Do not forget your wallet.
I have it in my pocket. I have it in my pocket.
We should leave now. We should leave now.
I am ready. Let us go. I am ready. Let us go. Let me lock the door. Let me lock the door. The weather looks nice today. The weather looks nice today.
The car is very clean today. The car is very clean today.
I washed it yesterday morning. I washed it yesterday morning.
Look at those beautiful flowers. Look at those beautiful flowers.
We should plant flowers too. We should plant flowers too. I will buy seeds today. I will buy seeds today. How far is the market? How far is the market?
About 10 more minutes. About 10 more minutes.
I can see the market now. I can see the market now.
It looks very busy today. It looks very busy today. Be careful, the space is small. Be careful, the space is small. Hold my hand, it is crowded. Hold my hand, it is crowded. This market is always so lively. This market is always so lively.
I love coming here with you. I love coming here with you.
Look at these fresh tomatoes. Look at these fresh tomatoes.
How many do we need? How many do we need?
About 1 kilogram will be enough. About 1 kilogram will be enough. We also need green chilies. We also need green chilies.
Excuse me, how much for these? Excuse me, how much for these?
They are cheaper than last week. They are cheaper than last week. I also need garlic and ginger. I also need garlic and ginger. Now let us buy some fruits. Now let us buy some fruits. What fruits should we buy? What fruits should we buy?
I want to buy mangoes. I want to buy mangoes.
Do we need bananas? Do we need bananas?
Yes, I eat one every morning. Yes, I eat one every morning.
I cannot find my shopping list. I cannot find my shopping list.
Do not panic. Check your bag. Do not panic. Check your bag.
I checked. It is not there. I checked. It is not there.
Let us sit down for a moment. Let us sit down for a moment.
There is a bench over there. There is a bench over there. How much rice should we buy? How much rice should we buy?
5 kilograms should be enough. 5 kilograms should be enough.
Do not forget the tea leaves. Do not forget the tea leaves.
I never forget tea. I love tea. I never forget tea. I love tea. Tea makes me happy. Tea makes me happy.
How much did we spend today? How much did we spend today?
I will count at the cashier. I will count at the cashier.
I will pay by card today. I will pay by card today.
The card machine is not working. The card machine is not working.
Oh, do you have cash? Oh, do you have cash?
Yes, I always carry cash. Yes, I always carry cash. Let us put the bags in the car. Let us put the bags in the car. I am starting the car now. I am starting the car now.
Did we buy everything we needed? Did we buy everything we needed?
Yes, we got everything. Yes, we got everything.
I forgot to buy flower seeds. I forgot to buy flower seeds.
I bought them. I remembered. I bought them. I remembered. Let me open the door first. Let me open the door first. Sit down. You are tired. Sit down. You are tired.